Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone.
Hi.
My name is Siti Nurul Ashikin binti Abdullah. Matric number 265752.
Okay, my name is Nashaira Afiza binti Abu Talib. Matric number 271152. Today, we want to make a video about our topic that we choose is nature, and we want to share about our experience that we face, such as tornado and
Floods.
floods. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys. We start with my experience that I faced is tornado. Okay, in 2010, while I'm playing with my friend at the playground, and suddenly the wind blew and I saw many people running out. So after that, I heard that my mom called me to come back home. I'm really scared, and my family also really scared, and we had a lot of things falling down and the doors shut tight. Apparently one of my neighbors showed that a tornado was hitting our house. Okay, this tornado was happened about 1 hour, 30 minutes like that. It's really long time. Okay, after that, me and my family going down to see what happened to our house, and many cars were overturned and the shop roof was also damaged by a strong tornado. Okay, my neighbor suffered a lot of loss, and I'm so thankful that me and my family are doing well and nothing happened to us. Also, our home is okay.
Let's continue about experience flood. In December, non-stop heavy rain. In tonight, during I watching television with my family, suddenly the accident of flooding due to very high rainfall. The tengkujuan season, November until January. The most rain fell heavy month of December. All the district in Kelantan flood on 18 December until 3 January 2050. The thing in my home could not be safe because the flood is very faster. We are moving to the flood center. When I'm at the center, many agencies come to help and given donation such as food and clothes. After flood is over, me and my family back to home and clean our house.
thank you everyone for watching our video, and thanks to Madam Pesha too as our lecturer for this subject. And don't forget guys to subscribe and like my video channel. Okay, bye.
Bye.